In today's video, I'm going to be adding some silver leaf embellishments to this airbrushed painting that I've done. I'm using a really fine detail brush along with my adhesive for my metal leaf, and I'm just going to be using that detail brush to put down veins of the adhesive to add my silver leaf to. I really didn't want to overdo it, but I wanted to add some kind of metallic or extra little pop of color to this one, since this painting was just done in black and white. And if you would like to see how I did this video, you can check out video number 533. It's my black and white airbrushed acrylic pour. This is one of my favorite techniques to do, and I do really like the way that it turns out. But like I said, I just wanted to add something a little extra to this. So I'm just taking my time. I'm using my fine detail brush to slowly add areas of this adhesive where I want to add the silver leaf after. It takes a while. I spent about a half hour doing all of this. I could have probably spent a couple of hours doing this, but I really didn't want to continue adding it and make it that I overall did too much. So I tried to restrain myself from going overboard, but I just had fun using that really fine brush and putting down the leaf in different areas of this painting. Before adding the silver leaf, I let the painting sit for about a half hour to let that adhesive dry. It becomes tacky to the touch so that the leaf will adhere to it. I have a couple of really soft brushes that I can use that once I put that leaf down, I can use those brushes to just wipe away all of the excess. To put my leaf down, I just took a sheet and used some scissors and cut it into small strips. Since my areas that I put the adhesive down were really thin, I didn't want to just take large sheets of the leaf and put it all over the canvas. I wanted to use up as much as possible and not waste any of it. nice veins of silver throughout. I think I did just enough without going overboard on this one, and this is just a really awesome way to add a little pop of metallic to some of your paintings if you want to find some different ways of embellishing them. And I've also found that you can use the paintbrushes, that when you're removing excess leaf from one area, you can use your paintbrush and just move it over another area, and that leaf will adhere to more of your adhesive. So it's a really great way to not waste any of it and just keep moving it around your canvas and hit those spots where you've added that glue. The extra leaf will just glue right onto it. Some really nice veins of silver throughout. I think I did just enough without going overboard on this one, and this is just a really awesome way to add a little pop of metallic to some of your paintings if you want to find some different ways of embellishing them.